KSIDC ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലെ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 പോസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് 2012 മെയ് 3 നടന്ന ചോദ്യപേപ്പറും അവയുടെ ആൻസർ കീയും. If X is distributed as uniform distribution with 0, 1, the mean of y equal to negative 2 log x is option A 1 by 2, option B negative 2 log 1 by 2, option C e raised to minus 2, option D 2. Answer option D 2. Question number 22. Bernoulli law of large numbers is closely associated with which type of probability? Option A classical definition, option B frequency definition, option C axiomatic definition, option D all the above. Correct answer option B frequency definition. Question number 23. Two variables are related by 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Then the correlation coefficient between them is option A negative 1, option B 1, option C lies between 0 and 1, option D lies between negative 1 and 1. Answer is option A negative 1. If x and y are two independent variables with the probability of success P, then conditional distribution of x given x plus y is option A binomial, option B Poisson, option C negative binomial, option D hypergeometric. Answer option D hypergeometric. Question number 25. The mean and standard deviation of a random variable is 3 and 4 respectively. Then its second moment about origin is option A 1, option B 7, option C 25, option D 13. Answer option C 25. Question number 26. The Indian state with the lowest female literacy rate. Option A Madhya Pradesh, option B Rajasthan, option C Bihar, option D Andhra Pradesh. Answer option B Rajasthan. Question number 27. Which of the following test is used for testing the variance of a normal population? Option A chi-square test, option B students t-test, option C F test, option D normal test. Answer option A chi-square test. Question number 28. Which statement is true for a Latin square design? Option A number of treatment and rows are equal. Option B number of treatment and column are equal. Option C both A and B. Option C neither A nor B. Answer option C both A and B. Consider two independent standard normal variate x and y. The standard deviation of x square plus y square is option A 1, option B 2, option C root 2, option D 4. Answer option B 2. Question number 30. The number of components in a time series is option A 2, option B 8, option C 3, option D 4. Answer option D 4. Question number 31. 8 balls are drawn at random from a box containing 15 white and 10 red balls. The probability distribution of the number of red balls obtained will be option A binomial, option B hypergeometric, option C either A or B, option D neither A nor B. Correct answer is option C either A or B. Which of the following index number satisfies factor reversal test? Option A Fisher's index, option B Laspie index, option C Pashy's index, option D all the above. Answer option A Fisher's index. Question number 33. The crude death rate in a city in 2009 is 24 per thousand. If 102 deaths are reported in the year, the average size of population in the city during the same year will be option A 2448, option B 2400, option C 4250, option D none of these. Answer option C 4250. Question number 34. What is the real wage of a person who earned rupees 500 per day and living in a city where the consumer price index is 125? Option A 400, option B rupees 625, option C rupees 375, option D none of these. Answer option A rupees 400. Question number 35. If the variance of the population of size 100 is 25, what will be the standard error of the mean of a sample of size 25 taken from it? Option A 1 by 2, option B 5 by root 33, option C 5 by root 24, option D 5 by root 99. Answer option B 5 by root 33. Question number 36. If events A and B are independent, then option A complement and B complement are independent. Option B, A complement and B complement are mutually exclusive. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Answer option A, A complement and B complement are independent. Question number 37. Confounding in factorial experiment will reduce option A, number of factors, option B, number of replications, option C, size of block, option D, all the above. Answer option C, size of block. Question number 38. The mean of a normal population is option A, random variable, option B, estimator, option C, statistic, option D, parameter. Answer option D, parameter. Question number 39. If A, B and C are three independent events with respective probabilities 0.2, 0.3 and 0.5, then the chance of exactly one of them is option A, 97 by 100, option B, 1, option C, 47 by 100, option D, 72 by 100. Answer option C, 47 by 100. Last question. For the normal distribution n mu sigma, the percentage of the observation lie in the interval mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma is option A, 90, option B, 95, option C, 99, option D, 99.9. Answer option B, 95.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.